Yoo-hoo! Welcome to my channel, it's Rocket Trading. In this channel you will learn about money management, support and resistance, trends, market movement and other amazing stuff. I already have 12 subscribers, guys. Thank you all for subscribing, and thank you guys for viewing this video. Okay, I like making videos. That's why I do what I do, and I want to help you guys to make money and to make trading as a source of income. So today's topic is about money management. How you can money management for a small balance. For example, $10 deposit. If you start a IQ option account and you deposit $10, how you can manage your money. So the link in the description. So guys, if you want to open an IQ option account, click on the link below. So first of all, I need to show you something. Good traders manage the downside. They don't worry about the upside. This is an important code that you need to understand. The downside means losses. You need to manage the losses. If you manage the losses, you will make more profit. Okay? No need to worry. I will show you how you can manage the loss. The first thing you need to do to manage losses is you need to make a money management plan. I will show you in this video how you can make a money management plan. So my friend has told me to make a video on Telegram for a small balance. That's why I'm making this video for you guys, and also this will help you guys. So watch till the end, like and subscribe to the video. So this first thing, this strategy requires patience. If you want to get rich quick with trading, this video is not for you. Okay, this video is for you guys that are disciplined, patient. Okay, these are the qualities that professional traders have. So let's jump into the video. So you need to have patience and consistency. Okay, where it is? Okay, here. So the trading plan is simple. I want you to pay attention. So watch till the end. So if you have $10, what you need to do is you only trade one trade per day. So sorry, you trade one trade per day, only invest $1. First of all, before you set a target, how many days you need to double your money. For example, if you want in 12 days you can double your money. So it depends on your experience if you need more days. So guys, these days are temporarily. You can increase it or decrease it. It depends on your trading experience. So for example, if you have 12 days to increase to double your initial deposit. The aim is to double your initial deposit. What you need to do is you only need to bet $1. I don't need you guys to trade 5 times per day. Only one trade, but a sure trade which will increase your win. Trade in good market. Okay, so you only trade $1 per day. $1 per day for the 12 days. You only trade $1. So you trade $1. For example, if the profit percentage is 0.80, okay, no need to worry. Just bet $1. Your aim is you need to have a weekly aim which is double your account. I will show you an example. For example, if you have $10, you bet $1 the first day. The second day you bet $1. Third day $1. Fourth day $1. Fifth day $1. You do it again and again and again for the 12 days. But in these 12 days, some days you will take some rest. So just one trade per day. Okay, for those of you who have 80% ratio, you can take two trades. Okay, but be cautious. If you do 2 trades per day and if you lost the 2 trades, okay, if you lost the 2 trades, you stop trading. Okay, now I will see you what happened if you lost. What happened if Tuesday you have lost, you enter the turn and you have lost. for this thing you need to do something. I will show you an example what you need to do if you lost a trade. If you lost a trade, you need to take another trade. For example, if Monday you have achieved your aim, that is $1, and Tuesday you lost $1. What you need to do is you need to take another trade, okay, another trade to recover the losses that you have made. You need to bet the same size, okay, the same betting size. No increase your amount. Don't increase your amount. Bet again $1, okay. Bet again $1, and if you bet again $1, if you win, you will recover your losses, okay. Even if you don't recover all your losses or you don't make profit, no need to worry. Tomorrow you again make profit. The aim is to double your account, okay. So if you lose one trade, you take another trade, okay. But what happens if you lose two trades? Okay, what will happen is that you stop trading for the day. Tomorrow you continue two trades. In this way you will get less emotion, and you have set a trading plan. You go with the plan. You have a plan. You don't have emotion. You don't be greedy and emotion. That's why it is important to have a trading plan. This is a trading plan I have shown you. So if you make two losses, you stop trading. If you make one win, you stop trading. This is a sure shot, guys. In the end of this month, if you follow this strategy, you will make money. I guarantee you will make money. You will make more like you expected. Just be patient and consistent, okay. But what has happened if you have already achieving the objective, that is doubling the money? If you deposit $10 and you have double your money at the end of the 12 days, which is $20. So what you need to do is you increase your bet. You increase your bet to $2, okay. You trade only one trade per day, but $2. You again same thing. You allow yourself 12 days and you bet the same amount, $2, okay. You don't worry about losses. If you lost, you stop trading. Two loss, stop. One win, you stop. So again, $2, and what will happen is that you will double the money at the end of this month. So what will happen is that you will get $40 at the end of the week. $40. So what will happen if you get $40? You again increase your bet to $3. First, you have an objective, okay. Your objective is to double your money, and then when you finish to double, you increase your bet size on the next week. So imagine if you have doubling this amount in a week. You take some rest. You have already achieved your aim. You don't worry about money because you have already made some profit. So you double. If you have $40, you again increase the bet size to $3. Again, you are doubling this week. You increase again $4, again, and I guarantee you, in this strategy will bring you at least $1,000 in 2 months. I guarantee you, if you follow this will bring you $1,000 each month. But you need to respect some rules. What are the rules? Remember, you do not need to be greedy, okay. I already have I have 10 minutes to explain this. So you do not need to be greedy. So don't be greedy, guys. The money will always be here if you have a quick rich scheme. So guys, don't trade, okay. Don't trade. First you need to have a mindset of making a small profit and grow it during the time. You need to think trading as an additional source of income, as a business, okay. You need to sell off. Sometimes there will be some losses will always be here, but think it as a business, as an additional source of income. Third thing you need to do is you do not revenge trade. Don't revenge trading if you lost. No need to be emotion. Just take some days off. Go with your friend. Go doing some hobbies. So no need to worry. Do not do multi-gill. Don't increase your bet. I already told you this strategy is not about increasing your bet. First you need to double, then you increase your bet, okay. So follow this. I already explained. You do not need to fear when you play straight. Play